My air fryer. It's the air fryer for me. It's the air fryer for me. It's the air fryer for me. The air fryer for me. What's up, you guys? Does anybody got a bounty ball? A downy ball? I said a bounty ball. Y'all, I'm about to tear this Parmesan encrusted salmon up with these potatoes and Brussels sprouts, honey. This is about to get devoured. Girl. My first time eating today.
And look, there's $13,000 left on that line. On that last stuff.
I'm hungry. And healers, bestie. I'm hungry. What you meant to say? Enjoy. And healers, what? Hey, Nina. Hey, Kaylee. Hey, Shaq. Hey, Shane and Samantha. Hey, Sherry Blasted. What's up? Jamie, Jenna, Danielle, Tabitha, Jamie, Demetrius, Kara, Lucy, Kathy, Jennifer, Debbie. You're hungry too, bestie? I know that's right.
Okay. Because you're really, you're fast
Yummy,
and
yummy,
Wes is
yummy.
closer to you.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah. Okay.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, jealous, not healers. Okay. I was like, what? you got going on, bestie? I love this little ring light thing. What happened to your eye? Girl, I got into a boxing match with a stranger. Hey Shane. Hello Sam. Every moment your parents. Nikki, enjoy every moment with your parents. I lost my mommy when I was 6 years old. I miss her so much. Oh my God, Sam. I'm so sorry, baby. Hey Amber. Hey Shannon. And I always do. Jean Marie, good morning, boo face. It's 12:47, so good afternoon. It's 12:47, so good afternoon.
Are you in here with that light?
Mm-hmm. Well, I don't have the light, but this is the light. Okay, we only got 3 sprays. I'm going to need for y'all to turn it up.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Girl. Girl. I'm so happy, girl. At least, you know.
Things are going to happen good.
Yes.
They're going to be a blessing.
You know, it's blessings and blessings and blessings. And he keeps on giving them to me. And I prayed to him and said, Lord, please help me.
Well, this is what we're going to do with the GoFundMe. I'm going to delete it after January, whatever. And then everybody will get their funds back if I don't set up a bank account for it to go to.
Yes.
So everybody just get their money back.
Give it back.
They're going to get it back.
Give it back. Give it back because the Lord blessed me first.
That's right. That's what I said. The Lord bless you. And now we don't need it. And now we can just let them have it. Since everybody was hating on it anyway. Everybody was mad about the damn GoFundMe account anyway. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. Y'all, oh my God, this feels so good. Heck yeah. Pull up. Yeah, with my YouTube. All right. Oh my God, mommy. This food looks so good. Where y'all about to go eat?
The Fresh Air Barbecue.
Okay. I'll go up there with y'all. Give me some banana pudding.
Want to?
Yeah, I'll go with y'all.
Okay.
30 minutes you said, right?
He said...
To call him?
He said he'd give me 30 minutes. So from the time it's 20 now.
Yeah, so it'll only take me like 10 minutes to eat. I'll just go with y'all so I can get out the house.
Okay.
And well, I do have to go to Kohl's too, and then I can just go to Kohl's afterwards.
Yeah.
And take back that shirt.
We could ride.
We just ride in one vehicle.
You and I can ride together, and I'll go with you.
Okay.
Today's.
Oh, we love you too, Jean Marie. Hey, Tara. Hey, Faith. Hello, you guys.
And look, that is peanuts.
I was trying to play catch up. That module home is beautiful. Right. Y'all got to do catch up, y'all, because I'm going to be bouncing back and forth like I'm jumping bouncing beam because I got to get the modular home.
Yes.
So in order to get the modular home, I got to start working my ass off. And then next month, I got to go back to work at Amazon. So I'm going to be double, triple time. I'm going to be working on the weekends. It's going to be like the Drake song, working on the weekends like usual. All up in the deep end like usual. I got all these snakes in my hair like usual. Got these snakes in the grass like usual. People in my business like usual. People on my case like usual. It is what it is. But I'm thankful to be alive. And I'm blessed. You know what I mean? My phone been screwed up and I dropped it in the sink. Dang. Alright. Oh my God, y'all. Look at this food. Look at this food. How could anybody ever eat all this? This is honey glazed Brussels sprouts, Parmesan encrusted salmon, mashed potatoes with the Brussels sprouts mixed in there. There we go. Butter. I'm about to put salt and pepper. Strong feel you guys are going to get this home by faith. God is going to make sure miracles happen in your life. Yes. And then we need to go by there too. Planning and zoning. All right.
I'll let you know when to ask.
All right.
Okay? Because that can be done like this. Look. That's the least of your problems.
Yeah, and it's not like we're right here at the end of the finish line or
it's-
anything.
We're going to try to
Is that
get
your
to
water?
that. If you show him that, he'll say yes.
Is that your water?
This one is.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is. Okay. And don't worry. Of that mashed potatoes,
Mm-hmm.
you did the mashed potatoes with this. Yeah.
I put the Brussels sprouts in there with the honey glaze.
Yeah, yours was over there. I was sitting right here when I came to sit down. Oh, God, have mercy, Jesus. Yeah, I wouldn't even mention anything about it, but I would. This is what I would do. I'd start saving up some money and show him what you got, and he'll be ready to go down there, honey. Let that be like one of the last things you do. Things are going to change with us. Real good. It's going to be good. We won't think we're all against him, and we've downgraded and talked him down and whatever.
Shit. You don't want a bite?
No, good.
No.
I know what I'm gonna be eating. And plus, I got my stuff at home like that too that I can eat. That looked good the way you mixed the mashed potatoes though.
Girl, tell you.
I'm so excited.
Hey, friend.
I ain't even putting this thing in there until I talk to this woman. When I talk to her, because she might have to call me. Is when she messages me back, you know, because we're talking on the app now. Because I left her extension at home. So I need to put that in my phone. Because she's my adjuster. She's my claims adjuster.
Y'all, Becky, this does really sound good. Good things will be coming to both of you and your family. Thank you, Rachel. And friend, what did you eat for lunch? Leftover barbecue, friend. I'm eating leftover Longhorns. I got mashed potatoes with the honey glazed Brussels sprouts and Parmesan encrusted salmon. It's busting. Hey, Nuna Butt. Hey, Katrina. It's so good. The salmon could be a little hotter, but I can always put that back in there at the end. Because my potatoes are hot. But then I don't want to overcook it. I still ain't going to be able to eat all this.
$12,000 for the cabinets. It'd be that much. They were $8,000. Melanie got them for $8,000. We can cut cost on some of them cabinets if they reface them. But you know what? Yeah, because and whatever, I could keep the rest. They got to do a plumbing and painting too. And they're going to give me a new black splash.
It's going to look like a new kitchen.
I might want to cook in that. I might just want to cook in that.
Come over there and do my cooking lives.
Woo, yes.
Rachel ate fried egg, tomato, and cheese sandwich. Now she having her coffee. It sounds good. Hey, Alexis. Hey, Valerie. Hey, TK Carter. I'm eating leftover vegetable soup. Hey, Moni. Hey, Sherry. I had Chef Boyardee ravioli, Kathy says. Hey, that's better than no food. Hey, Gina. Hey, Carlene. Hey, Felina. Fran, yes, I love some barbecue. Tell me why my mom and dad are about to go to barbecue. The fresh air barbecue. And I'm about to go get a banana pudding from up there.
And tell him you're proud of him because he quit drinking. He's a different person, you know, and da-da-da-da-da. Because he really is a different person when he's not drinking. So I can handle the one he is when he ain't drinking. But the one he is when he
You gotta stay out that bottle.
Yes. And everybody needs to pray for that he doesn't drink again. That's why I didn't bring anything inside when...
Girl, I'll be responding to half the people messages they send them to me, baby. I'm sorry. Are you talking about on the live, girl? Why haven't I responded to your messages? I'm not sure. I've been busy. That messenger box will consume you. Stay out of it. Yes, that is a hard thing to do. Hey, Hannah. Hey, Heidi. Rachel says she's proud of him.
Oh, yes. And then you need to tell him that, you know. He really thinks you don't like him.
Well, I don't like...
The person he is when he drinks, that's all.
I don't like how he's just so rambunctious all the time. And he gives me anxiety, bro.
I know.
He's just too loud for me. And and then he does his page the way he does it, and it, like I told him, he's thinks he's just so successful that way of doing his page, but he really could have already been where he needed to be if he would have listened to me.
Right. I know. He thinks he's going somewhere.
Hey, Gina. Hey, Faith. Hey, Lisa. I will pray for him. It's not that I don't like him. I don't like the things he does. Right.
Yes.
Exactly. Hey, Ronnie. I'm trying to grow a page, and I want you to follow me. I was maybe going to see if you wanted to do a live with me or something. What's your page name, girl? Hey, Erica. Hey, Tina. Hi, Gina. Can you hit that light? Can you reach that light on that little ring light thing? It's right here. No, right here.
Oh, okay. Okay. I got you.
Don't I look better?
Yeah.
Can't even freaking see me. I look like a ghost.
See, this is the one they should have made a mistake with, not the other one, but, you know, this is the one they should have made a mistake with, but they didn't. They made a mistake with the one that has all the zeros behind it.
I know, right? Okay, girl, I'll check you out.
22. 24.
It's funny how some people can drink with no problems and others turn into totally different persons. I guess it has to do with your brain chemistry. Yeah.
I have to sign it
Your
too.
blood type.
See, policyholder Wanda Stuff. See, it says it right here. Hold on. But
I know.
John Stuff is owning entity. He's the entity. He's the entity.
Ooh, I'm full now.
Okay, time to go then. And we will be up there.
I'm about to go.
And this is all I have to do. So, enclosed for the amount made payable to. This payment is completed water mitigation. Please endorsed. Check as addressed.
It's Nikki _Boo.
Okay. There's an invoice for that.
I even have another little piece of fish for later.
Okay.
Look at God. That was good though.
Little baby check right here. We don't care about this. But she sent me self-addressed stamped envelope, so we good. All these different places, man. That's why I got a folder.
Nikki, I'm so happy for you. I pray you get the trailer. I know you will. Thank you, Rachel. Excuse me. You know I will, girl. It's just going to take me a little bit of time. Rome was not built in a day. Excuse me, y'all. But yes, Rome wasn't built in a day. I can't hear you, Mommy. I'm deaf. What you say? What you box? Something about you box?
I don't want to know these glasses. I gotta look. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta see the glasses look okay on me because these were free.
That's you. Thank you.
I gave that dinner too.
Do bands make you dance?
Yeah, bands.
Do bands make you dance?
Bands make me dance. Bands to make me dance.
Bands make you dance? I'm just going to put my hair up in a little bun and then we can go ahead and go. Whatever one you want to. Look at my bestie. Don't play with my bestie, okay? I ain't going to show her picture online, but don't play with her. I do like her new hair color. Black cherry.
Oh, yeah. That
She looks good, don't she?
A lot better.
Yeah, it looks good with her eyes. I like it with her eyebrows, too. That color matches her eyebrows so good.
Yes.
Damn, bestie. I think you found your color.
That's it. A lot better.
Black cherry, baby. That's your new stage name.
Black cherry. Stage name.
I gotta pee and then I'm ready. Okay. Y'all like Amber's new hair? Let me put my hair up. Yes, my hair color is close to Amber's. I dyed it the other day. I miss my natural now. Yeah, she's looking real good now with that hair and that weight loss. My friend fine anyway without all that. She's just a beautiful person anyway. But she look good with that hair color. It matches her eyes and her eyebrows very, very well. All right, y'all, I gotta pee right quick. Y'all just gonna have to sit right there for a second. Yes, I see them. What do y'all see? 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 All right, y'all. I'm going to go back live on Comedian Nikki now when I get to the barbecue place and we going to have banana pudding. Give me like 15 minutes. I love y'all.